Have you ever had to deal with elements on a page that disappear before you can actually get their locator? Do not know what I mean? Well, let me show you. I'm here on the Lambda test e-commerce playground, and I'm adding an item. I'm going to check out, and I want to add a gift certificate here, and I just put something like test, and you saw that, right? If I add something and then hit apply, I want to get that error message. I want to be able to assert that it's there, to assert its text, and so forth. But I cannot. And the reason for that is it's too fast. I cannot just, I cannot inspect the DOM right now and expect to see it there. But you can easily get around this by using Cypress. So I have here the code. It's pretty straightforward. I navigate to the page, I add something to the cart, and I try and, or I actually do add this test and click on the button that we saw before. Now let's do this in Cypress. I'm going to show you what I mean by it's pretty easy to do this, and that is because Cypress has something called time traveling. What does that mean? It means that you can navigate back in time in your actual test and see the state of the DOM when or to a specific time. So let's have a look. We go here, and you saw that, right? We had the error message. And if we go on the left side here, where we have our spec file and where we have our commands, we see that we made a click. So here we entered the test, we made the click, and then if we go one step, another step, and we stop here, we can see that we have the error right here, and we can actually go in and we can use the Cypress property or the Cypress feature that allows us to get the selector, and we have here our selector. So we can just go ahead, add this to our test, and assert that it's there, assert from the text. And this is how you can easily handle elements that disappear or that are hidden to the eye in your tests via Cypress. Thank you for watching the video, and as always, I'll see you in the next one. Have a good one, and bye-bye.